Caesarstone Porcelain is built for real kitchens, designed to deliver strength, quality, and everyday functionality. With decades of expertise in kitchen countertops, we understand that even the most durable surfaces may require professional attention. In those rare moments when damage occurs, the right repair process makes all the difference, restoring both structure and appearance with precision and confidence. Begin by cleaning the damaged area thoroughly. This removes dust, debris, and contaminants and ensures proper adhesion of the repair material. Create small internal grooves inside the chip. These micro-channels allow the repair compound to anchor mechanically and improve long-term stability. Blend pigments to match the slab's tone and movement. Accurate color matching ensures the repair integrates naturally with the original design. Apply the repair compound with precision. The objective is to rebuild the edge profile and ensure full internal contact with the substrate. Once cured, polish the area carefully. This restores surface continuity and achieves a consistent, refined finish. The result is a professional repair that restores both appearance and integrity. Caesarstone Porcelain. Made for real kitchens, made for real life.